truck looks really good, guys. But welcome back to another video of this OORP. And today we're going to be customizing Grandpa's truck to make it look good, if that kind of originally was. Or like kind of how I want it-ish. But you got the white cab Chevy. I just came in here to get some gas and stuff. But let's head out. But we're going to go to DTS to repair the truck, so we gotta get the trailer hooked up, and then we also gotta load it up. Also gotta load it up, and yeah, so let's do that today. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off my lights, but I have the truck in there, and sorry about the outside noise, but guys, before filming this, just to let you guys know, I tried to see how much sound I couldn't get into this, but I'm sorry, guys. But let's attach it. Now back to RP. Now let's attach the trailer, and we gotta get to the truck. Back it up carefully. Let's just. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back whenever I have it loaded up or at least backed up. Okay, guys. So I got it loaded up, but let's back this up real quick. Just let me make sure I have everything. So. Yeah. Okay, this truck's all strapped down. Yeah, we're gonna have to replace the rims. Try to do as much body work as we can. And we gotta replace the front drive shaft because it's just rusted out. And the transfer case seemed pretty good. I did replace it off video. But, so the transfer case was pretty good. And the whole suspension's good. It's just the front drive shaft is just, used all the time. So it just went like that. So yeah. But we'll have to get all this rust off. And we're gonna have to replace the rims. Also, probably replace the tires. I'm gonna keep them as these like same tread, but they're kind of dry rotted out. So, but yeah, truck's strapped down. Yep. Get back in the truck. Let's tow out. Trailer lights are on. Truck lights are on. Let's tow down the DTS, which I brought my transfer case there, so if they wanted to fix it or use it again or something, then they could do so. And it specifically fit for like a GM 66 GM truck. That's 4x4 drive. And so I was talking to them, and yes, they can fix my truck. It may take a little while, and yeah, but let's get in the shop. Sorry, guys. And let's go. So yeah, I'll take this truck. Actually, let's put it in towing mode. So I already paid for the stuff that I told them to do, and yeah, so get this done. But I'm gonna go in the shop, guys, and yeah, I'll see you guys once I'm in the shop. Okay guys, so I got this set up and they were able to take like all the rust off. So this truck looks like better with the body. And it's just outside rust, like the hood, like the inside of the panels had like no rust on them, which was unbelievable. But now let's get to here. Let's do this and let's make it like, let's do a nice color because we're gonna do this in like a nice two-tone. Let's make it like, I feel like I do want it white, but I feel like I want it just a tad bit darker. So it's like an older color. Let's do that. And then let's make this red. And let's get them to color match it. Which I honestly just want to use the same red. Which they identified the color of what red it was. So they could get the exact red because they removed the paint. Yep, they removed the paint. And then, yep. But let's get this. So now let's do these rims. So I feel like these look pretty good. Let's change the bead color to black. The bead black. The rim color we'll just make it like gray. Darker gray. That. So it looks pretty good. I have 20 grand on me. I spent some money, and that's why I don't have like 40 grand. Probably gonna have to go back to my job and make some money. Check working at the monster truck arena area. I have my own monster truck. I was just spending some money over here. I put like 40 grand into something I was doing. Like 20 grand into something I was doing, so yeah. But so we got this nice white, and apparently they said they had like this wouldn't look too bad, but I feel like I want to do this. That would actually look pretty good. Let's do that. How much will it cost me? $8,500. They also said they had a bed with a roll bar or bed cover, which wouldn't look too bad, but this didn't really have the dually fenders that I'm looking for, which I could remove the dually and have it set up like that. Which this, if I can do that. It's just right now, it looks so good with the tow truck bed on it, and I'm just not gonna do it. You know, these dually wheels do stick out a little bit. It's fine, it sticks up, and it is like a huge cup fender. And it still goes behind the cab back there. Oh, sorry guys. So now, I'll pay for this. And then, oh wait, also, yeah, I forgot. We need to add some tools in the back of this. We need to add some different headlights. And a winch just in case. Because the front winch, and then if we need to tow out like something, if we need to tow out our truck from the front instead of from the back, like his back's jammed in something or so, then we can just tow it out from the front. So yeah, let's pay for this. I will go pay for it, and then we'll go into suspension. Well, suspension actually. Yeah, suspension, so we could, and they did actually put a new front drive shaft on it. So, yeah, so we can tune up the suspension a little bit. Okay, guys, we got in the brown suspension, you know, for what we can do for, like, tires, gear tuning, dyno run. Yeah, what? Yep. So we can dyno run this, and yeah. Well, this is also a gasser. Both my grandpa's trucks were gassers, so yeah. Do change suspension. So, because this is also like, because since we did all this, this is more of for the suspension part, like, because this is our truck, but this is what could, this is like a rendering of what could happen for suspension. Monster truck, I don't think we want that. That's just super wide. We're gonna use that as a tow truck, kinda. Trophy truck wouldn't be too bad. So off the pros pretty nice. Independent actually wouldn't be too bad either. Like maybe independent in the front and then keep the stock axle in the rear. Like maybe replace it or something. We could do I-beam in the front and then this in the rear. I think I'm just gonna do this, but the suspension is pretty good. We're gonna do this and then this. Yeah, do that. And then, well, shocks. Yeah, let's replace these shocks. Place them. Front, we could probably do that. Yeah, in the rear we can do it. Now shocks. Let's replace them. Yep, there you go. That's some nice shocks. I made sure to make him look over the diffs and everything. The travel, wow. It definitely did have like a towing suspension on it. But let's look at tires. I think we'll just leave everything stock, but let's dyno run this. Run dyno. .400 horsepower and 356 foot-pounds of torque. Not bad. Let's run it on maybe the test rig. So let's get some speed. Let's go to 1. So some bumpy terrain. It's not too bad for the truck. Let's do number 3. Okay. Yeah, this would actually clear some of this. Let's do 2, because I know 2 is the jumps. I don't know how it will handle for the jumps. It's not too bad. I'll definitely drop the front suspension down. That's maybe, I don't know. Yep. So let's go back. I'm gonna go put this back on the trailer, and I will meet you guys when we're out of DTS so we can test this. So yeah. Okay guys, so we just paid, and the tow truck actually looks really good. That garlic and stuff. But let's go put, because I think the Chevy square body should stay in like the carport type area, and then the old 66 GMC should sit still in the garage. But if we need to, then we can swap them out, you know. But because there's not much coverage, because I know, and I did look at some of the other houses, and I'm thinking about still keeping my grandpa's property, but then buying another one, which I have the money to do so, because I have it in a different savings account. So I'm gonna call up the realtor to see if I can buy that house, because I know it was for sale. It's a nice big double car garage. But how about let's just unload this stuff. So we'll put this about right here, and then I'm gonna park my truck right here or so, and then we see now the 4-wheel drive works, and the truck is up and running. It runs beautiful. I made sure they checked over the motor and everything, and I probably should dyno run the old square body. Let's hop in that. Oop. Accidentally kept it in reverse. Let's do that. Let's park up the trailer over here. Ooh. Probably, like, okay, so we're pausing RP for real quick while I do this non-legitly, and I'm gonna pay for that damage. I think I'm still gonna do some RP out here. It's just you know, let's just put the Chevy right here, but, you know, it's not going to be super legit. You know, it's always not going to be legit. Or, I try to make this as realistic as possible, guys. But, somehow it will turn out a little unrealistic. And, so just bear with me, guys. But let's hop in the Chevy. And also, I'm going to continue this series. And I don't know if it'll still stay on this map. It may come to different maps. I don't know. But back to RP. So guys, we're hopping the Chevy. And let's go. I parked this is GMC. I'm just going to call this a 66. The Chevy over there. Let's park it right there. I probably could park it over by the shed over there, but yeah, let's do it. Hold on. I don't want to walk just a little bit ways. So now we'll just keep this in 2-wheel drive. It's not gonna be too bad. Let's back this all the way over here. Yep. And let's keep the wheel straight. And now let's put this in 4-wheel drive. Turn the lights on. For some reason, even just the wiring, I'm thinking my grandpa took the bed off of this with some of the wiring for, like, the taillights of the bed, because these taillights just won't work. But then the headlights work just fine, and the blinkers and everything. And I had a beautiful V8. So, under the hood, no twin turbos, no superchargers, no nothing. But we have our tools now, and we have this truck nice and built. But let's go on the highway to test its speed. Let's put up the speedometer. And, sorry guys. And, I'm gonna go over here. Okay. Ooh, got a little bit of air. This truck isn't the best for, like, off-roading. Well, it's pretty good at off-roading. It's just, you know, sometimes it gets a little squirrely. I think we could probably just put it in 2-wheel drive. Yeah, let's put it in 4JS in case. Yeah, we're getting some pretty good speed. But I'm gonna go look at that house, maybe. And there's a trailer park over here, I guess. We're keeping it in this lane because there's some construction right here. So let's just go slower. Let's go 20 miles an hour. And then we speed up just a little bit. Maybe like 40 miles an hour or so. Then we gun it. And then we need this 80 miles an hour, god dang it. Gotta really slow down. Okay, there we go, guys. Now I've got all set up. But, ooh. I don't know why there's rocks on the road. Or at least, it's been there for a while. It's just they haven't cleaned it up, I guess. I talked to some locals and they said it's been there for a while. Just nobody's looking to clean it up. So, kinda just gotta deal with it. Yeah, there's an off-road trail over there. Maybe we'll have to put the test to the old GMC. And every once in a while, I'll probably end up calling this guy's a Chevy or something, cause like GMC and Chevy are basically the same brand. This on me about that. I don't care. They're basically the same brand. They use the same trucks. It's just like the Sierra could be a little bit more. Like there's some vehicles that were like GMC back in the 50s. This is a pretty nice house though. Was like a more luxurious version of, let's say, a 50s Chevy. It was just a little bit more luxurious and stuff. So that's why. But yeah, this interior is actually pretty nice. But that's a nice house. I think I'm gonna keep my Gramps property. I'm gonna just have one property right now. But yeah, but let's go take this off-roading. 4-wheel drive on. Stop real quick. I look both ways and let's turn. But I think that's a little bit of a drop though. Yeah, it's a little bit of a drop. I could probably get go from over there. Let's see where this leads to though. I don't quite know. Might as well check. Those are some big rocks though. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that. There's a park down there. Still take it off road. Let's turn the lights off for there. Oh Jesus Christ. About got the shape. About got the GMC stuff. That's a little glitchy. It's good spawning board. I will not go through there. Make it even more illegal. It's just perfect here though. But this is a nice truck. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.